Do you have this handset? My dad is used to this handset. Please. Sir, which part of the world you are from? These are outdated. There is no supply. These are the words from the shopkeeper. Like my dad got used to this handset, I too got used to smoking with one puff in 2003, and that went on to 40 cigarettes per day. But my dad, he switched on to smartphone now, and he is even better than me in using it. He is an inspiration. Like him, even I quit smoking in 2011. Dear friends, if I can quit smoking, if I can get rid of any addiction, you can. Everyone can. When I got this topic, my role as a citizen to make Udupi Nashamukt, I was overwhelmed because this topic is very close to my heart. And I am thankful to Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and Department of Students Affairs MAHE for giving me such an opportunity here. I will divide my speech into two parts. First, I will explain my role, and second, I will explain our role, what we together can do to make Udupi Nashamukt. Coming to the first part. So my role, the first one, I am an entrepreneur and I don't hire anyone who is addicted to smoking, chewing tobacco or any addiction. And if they are willing to quit the addiction or get rid of the addiction, they are welcome. Second, I conduct free yoga sessions, and I believe that by sharing this knowledge of yoga, it helps in controlling the mind, and by controlling the mind, your willpower increases and it helps in getting rid of any addiction. Third thing, I used to write articles in my previous organization on how to quit smoking. Yeah, I have become a procrastinator now. Yeah, I have to do that. I have to keep writing, and I promise that by the end of next year, I will definitely write a book which will be helpful for each and every one who is in need of this, on how to quit smoking or getting rid of any addiction. And fourth one, I am always available for my friends, family or anyone who is in need of me in helping them quit any addiction, because I can share my own experience with them. Now coming to the second part, what would be our role, that is yours and mine, to make Udupi Nashamukt? How can we both do that together? Actually, it's simple. But as we all know, simple things are always difficult. But let me explain this. You know about this phone, right? Why there is no supply for this? Because there is no demand. So when there is no demand, there is no supply. And when there is demand, there is supply. Who is controlling this demand? Buyer. And who are the buyers? You and me. We are the buyers. So we control this supply and demand. Dear friends, if we can do one thing when we buy anything from any shop, this problem can be solved. You just ask them the question whether they sell cigarettes, chewing tobacco or any addictive thing. If they say yes, then tell them that you are not going to buy anything from their shop because they sell all these things. And move on to another shop. You will find hundreds of shops like this which don't sell these cigarettes and other things. By this, what's going to happen? These shops will be left out with only buyers who are smokers or other addicts. And finally, his shop will turn out to be a pawn shop, almost a pawn shop, because he will be losing out the major customer from him, right? And he doesn't want that, right? He wants to do the business, and one day he is going to stop selling all these items. It can be done if we work together. I am in for it. Are you? Let's do it together. Let's make Udupi Nasha Mukt by working together.